Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will help you play Love Yourself on guitar. Start with the fundamental chords. We'll begin with G major, C major, E minor, and D major. These four open chords form the backbone of Love Yourself. Focus on clear, ringing notes for each string. Practice transitioning slowly between them, ensuring your fingers are placed firmly behind the frets. This foundational step is crucial for building muscle memory and achieving a clean sound. Next, let's tackle the strumming pattern. The song has a relaxed, soulful groove. A basic down-down-up-up-down-up pattern works wonderfully. Focus on keeping your strumming hand loose and fluid. Start slowly with a metronome, perhaps at 60 beats per minute, gradually increasing the speed as you become more comfortable. Consistency in your rhythm is key to making the song sound authentic. Now, let's put the chords and strumming together within the song's structure. The main progression for the verse and chorus often cycles through G, C, E minor, and D. Pay attention to the slight variations in the pre-chorus and bridge sections. Practice playing through the entire song, from beginning to end, without stopping. This helps you internalize the flow and anticipate chord changes smoothly. To truly master Love Yourself, consistent practice is essential. Consider using a capo on the 4th fret to play in the original key, which is E major. Listen closely to the original recording to internalize the song's nuances and timing. Dedicate 15 to 20 minutes each day to practice, focusing on smooth chord changes and rhythmic accuracy. Enjoy the process of bringing this beautiful song to life on your guitar.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.